All right, so we're going to talk about some of the things that are required when getting a divorce started, and it can be a little bit overwhelming. But I want to explain. There's 4 documents or things that get filed with the courts that you need to be aware of. Now, they're not filed in every case, but it's important that you understand it. The very first one is called the Petition for Dissolution of Marriage. That's filed by the petitioner or the person that's filing the divorce. The other side is known as the respondent. Now, the respondent has to then file some things as well in the case. But before we get there, the next thing is what you call a summons. Okay? A summons is a legal notification to the respondent that a petition's been filed. And this essentially means, hey, this is serious. We're no longer just talking about divorce. This is not just a bad argument. This is actually happening. So the summons, along with the petition, gets served by a process server on the respondent. Respondent then has time to file an appearance and a response. So those are the other 2 documents. The appearance is a legal document saying, I understand the case is ongoing, that this is happening, and that I represent the respondent. All communication comes through me now. Now, this appearance can be filed by an attorney, or it can be filed by the respondent themselves, essentially saying, I represent myself. Now, just because you start off representing yourself doesn't mean you can't hire an attorney later. And just because you hire an attorney doesn't mean you couldn't later represent yourself. So when you're talking about getting a petition started or a divorce started, you've got your petition, your summons, your appearance, and your response.